Hey everyone, it's me, Madison. It's the biggest thing ever. My mom told me I got a new dog. I just got it. I was supposed to get it yesterday because I don't really know why she hasn't told me yet, but I got a new dog. I don't know what I'm going to name her, but yes, it's a her. And I have this light on for a reason. It'll make it dull because it's crap. So I'd rather keep it on. I like the light in here. And you're like, I'm scared of the dog. Okay, well, anyway, I got the new dog. We're supposed to be taking it to the vet tomorrow because we have to check if it has rooming because we bought it off the internet. So we really don't trust the internet, but my friend Wendy Lane Horvath, we can check her profile and on Facebook. But she deleted hers, I think. I don't know though. But yeah, we're gonna go see if there's any worms or anything. I don't know why, but this girl gave us this. She had to pay double money for it because it actually had to get worming and vaccine, whatever vaccine is. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna name her. My grandma said to name it Tippy, but I don't think that's really good because I want a like more specific name than that. But yeah, Jack Russells are awesome. They're cool. And what my mom is getting me for my birthday is actually like I don't know what it's called, but it's like one of those things that makes ice cream. One of those slushy makers. Because I've been wanting one of those for ages. But I finally get one. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. But yeah, thanks for watching. And subscribe. And yes, I don't have a lot of subscribers. I only have 1 subscriber. But you know what? That's fine. Okay. But one thing is I'm gonna play something. Okay. It's kind of wrong because I don't know. It's like I don't know. And you're probably wondering why it's dark around the eye. It's because I put on makeup yesterday. Ooh, I do not look good in it. Okay. I'm not gonna play the whole song, but I will play some.
Can a Nobel Peace Laureate be a rabid fan?
Of course. Still human beings.
We pride ourselves in being united except when football is involved.
Break me down, you got a lovely face. We're going to your place. And now you got to break me out. Scream so loud, getting fucking late. You want me to stay, but I got some
subscribe. I know you don't want to, but at least just give me some support. And this girl, I don't know how old she is, but geez, she said the P word, the F word. She was like, what the? I was like, oh my god, how old are you? And this girl commented like, I think she's like 8 or something, and I'm the same age as her. I understand that she would be cussing because I cuss on here sometimes too, but I need to stop doing that. But I'm gonna show you. Let me look for her. It was unbelievable. Like, why would a young person do that? And I know you should be blaming me for this because I did the same thing too. But it wasn't on like the creating thing. It was actually on the live camera. She actually has a laptop on there, and she was recording something. Oh, I said, how old are you, Jesus, girl? And listen to her. I don't know how old she is, but dang, she cussing. But I'm gonna let you listen to that, and I'm gonna let you look at the picture.
I'm not gonna do anything. Hey guys, cause I am pissed. There was those 15 girls that had Tourette's, and one of them has a YouTube page, and someone wrote about how bad they felt on the Panagraph.com, and I was reading about it, and some douche started writing like bad comments on it, like, oh, you shouldn't feel bad for them, they got what they deserved, and I'm kind of sitting there like, what the fuck? What'd they do wrong? Bastard? Maybe you should be the one that gets stressed, huh? How'd you like to wake up from your sleep or wake up from your nap one day and all of a sudden...
And this is her name. I don't know. I don't know if I can explain it. Let me look. I don't think she should be cussing. Hold on. I'm gonna be playing it again. Aubrey Starkey's channel. She said don't make fun of disease touches. But then there's only 2 comments because I think Bianca Gomez said, I think she said that she was 10, but she looks freaking 8. I think she's 8. She's not 10. Category Science and Technology. Oh wow, 2004. And who even follows her? Don't make fun of disease duchess. Well, obviously, I don't know what's going on. The world has come to an end. I don't know. But obviously, she's doing something wrong. And I'm going to delete that video that I made too. Ooh. What are you doing? What are you doing? There's no way you can get out. Oh, she sees the cockroach. She loves to cook cockroaches. I need to get her. Come here. And she's really a nice soul if you think about it. What are you doing? Well, I still let her down. But yeah, that was my dog, and that was that weird girl. But I'll see you later. Subscribe if you want to. And yeah.